With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. Here the question says the best indicator for the detection of the endpoint in the titration of a weak acid and a strong base is. Okay, now if we talk about the endpoint, okay, endpoint in the titration, okay, or for titration, it is the point at which the indicator changes its color. Indicator changes color in acid base titration. In acid base titration. Okay, so here we are given with 4 different indicators. Now we have to identify which indicator will be used in the titration of a weak acid and strong base. So if we talk about the weak acid and strong base, then we know that weak acid plus strong base leads to the formation of a basic solution. So if we need to identify that the solution is basic, then we will use the indicator which pH range varies from 7 to 14, because if we see our pH scale, so this range is our acidic, this is our neutral point, and this is basic points, 7 to 14. So for that indicator, the pH value should be between 7 to 14. Okay, 7 to 14. So in the given options, for methyl orange we have 3.1 to 4.4. So it is incorrect because it will be used to identify the strong acid or solution. Okay, basically methyl orange and methyl red are used in the strong acid plus strong base solutions, or strong acid plus weak base solution, because both these leads to the formation of acidic solutions or the neutral ones. Okay, so in these solutions, if we need to check the presence of acid, then we use the methyl orange or methyl red because their pH range is less than 7. If we talk about bromothymol blue, its range is 6 to 7.6. Okay, 6 to 7.6. So basically it is the neutral point range. So this is also incorrect. So these 3 options are incorrect. And last is phenolphthalein. So its range is 8.2 to 10. Okay, so this is correct because its range is greater than 7 and less than 14. So our correct answer is 4th option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.